Hi, this is Rob Swank. This is my final presentation for my CIT23-09 Winter 2018 class. This is to go over my website. As you can see here on the screen, the website is up and working. All right, now we're on the contact page. I created this. Built this and then added these from a Pixel, I think it is where I picked up these two images and using them, I added them to it to make the logo. The menu buttons switch around very easily and change the way they're appropriately supposed to. It goes to a hamburger when you get too small, and the rest of the site is also responsive to going for the different sizes. This is the contact page, and as you can see on here, there's information for the customer if they want to contact, and there's a map on here that's responsive to getting smaller or bigger also, and then below we put some contact information in case they want us to call them back, and with a submit and a thank you that goes along with that. And on the adventures page, I have, I believe, 4 adventures set up here, information that's requested for them with a picture to go with them, and to cover that. And you'll notice at the bottom we also have another logo here that's different size and can be different color also. It gives, again, the information for the site and some information for when we're open. It has some social media contacts which are responsive and will go out to the media if you click on them. Also got the resources and the video click here that goes out to a page for that. The video is not in there right now because we're creating it. The date is responsive. There for the events page, our big thing here was the Continental Divide Trek. Get a little information on the Continental Divide and put sign up information here for them to fill out, and if you fill it out and hit submit, it goes also out to a thank you screen and allows you to come back in as you need to. For the service one, I did have a struggle here with the getting the JSON to work. This is a thing on there. I have JSON on there, but it wasn't populating. So I have something wrong with it, and I didn't get it to that point. So just be aware it's there. I've set it up. I just haven't figured out why, but I've got something going on wrong there. For shopping, I put in 6 bikes. You can click on them and open them and read on each one of them. They're trying to be responsive to so they open and they close, and you read the information, more information on them, each one of them. On the home page, I have some call to action here. I have quite a bit of information to give them some ideas, help them to think about things they can do, and to cover that bit of information. I'm not sure what else you're going to need at this point. We've pretty much covered everything. I think we're going to go out and fill out the events form just to make sure that you see that it's working. So you hit submit, and it goes out to the thank you page, and you can go back to it. So that pretty much wraps it up. I want to thank you for your time. I've enjoyed the class. I wish I could have spent more time working with it. Unfortunately, my lifestyle doesn't lend towards that at times. So I would have liked to have gotten a lot more out of the class than I think I did. I enjoyed doing it when I did get to play with it, and appreciate their time and everything you've taught us. Thank you very much. Take care.